Hi, this video is going to teach you how to fix comments are turned off. If you have this, people or you will not be able to comment on your particular video. So I'm going to show you how to do that. You make sure you log in into your dashboard, that is, you are on your dashboard. If you don't know how to do that on the YouTube platform, by the time you search youtube.com, just click on this place, and then by the time you click on it, you right click and then you go to YouTube Studio. That is, once you click on YouTube Studio, is going to come into your channel dashboard. Now you have to look for the video that the comment has been turned off. Now, for example, the video I made is how to update Audacity to the latest version, and it is this video that I discovered that comments are actually turned off. So you make sure you go to content on your YouTube dashboard, and then by the time you load the content, you are going to search for the video. That is, if you can search by the name you search across your channel, but I discovered that it has not been long since I made the video, so I should be able to see the video. So here is the video, and then you make sure you now click on details. So once you click on details, it's going to go into the dashboard, that is the particular video dashboard. So by the time you will see your title and you will see your description. Now you now scroll down, make sure you scroll down. So by the time you scroll down, you will see this place. You could see that it says disable comments has been checked. So that is the reason why your comments were turned off at this particular place. So what you now have to do is to click on allow all comments. So once you click on allow all comments, then you are going to click on save. So by the time you save, it's going to tell YouTube, and then it's going to load, and then by the time it finished loading, go back to that particular video and you will see that the disabled comment would have been fixed and would have been enabled. So it says changes saved. So let's come back to this particular video here, and then you refresh. By the time you refresh and you go down to the video, you will see that the comment sections would have been enabled. So here it is. I've already refreshed, and then I'm going to go down. All right, so by the time it loads, just scroll down. You could see that comment section below has been enabled. So at this particular place, you could see that you will be able to comment, and if you are able to comment, then the people that are viewing your content will also be able to comment. If you love this video, please like and subscribe to this channel. I'm going to see you in the next video.